Okay, children, next video for subtraction. Okay, on paper, sometimes when you see a question like this, a 3-digit number, subtracting a 2-digit number, sometimes it might set off panic, like alarms and whatnot, but there's no need to panic. Take a deep breath and take it step by step, like always, okay? So, in the last video, I showed you finding the difference between 2 digits by adding on, okay? And for me, when there's a big gap between the two numbers, it doesn't really work. It's better to count back. But here, 97 and 102, the numbers are so close together that it is, if you're using a number line, easier to find the difference between the two numbers this way, okay? So let's start with 97, okay? We need to count forwards till we get to 102. So let's target the 100. How many jumps do we need to do to get to 100? 97 to 100 is where we're jumping to, okay? Now, we're going to add 3, okay? You could do jumps of 1, but to save time for this video, we're going to add 3, okay? And we're on 100. Now we need 1 more jump, or you could do 2 more jumps. I'm going to add 2, and I get to 102. So we've done a jump of 3, and we've done a jump of 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, so we know our answer is 5. So in the first video, I preferred to count back, but in this video, if you're using a number line, I think it's better to do it this way, because if you're going to use a number line 102 and count back 9 tens, it's going to take you double, maybe treble the amount of time it would to find the difference, okay? So when you've got two numbers that are closer together, try and avoid too many jumps. Again, if you feel more comfortable jumping back like that, then do it, okay? This is definitely a more efficient method though, okay? So now, going on to a column subtraction. Now, first thing, we always start from the ones, okay? We can't do 2 take away 7. If you had 2 sweets and you had to give them to 7 friends, you couldn't do it, okay? So we have to borrow, right? First things first, I'm going to cross out the hundreds, okay? That 1 from the hundreds, make that 0, and bring the 1 over to the tens, okay? So now this is 10 take away 9, but this still doesn't help out our 2. So let's now borrow from the tens. Okay, I'm going to cross out the 10 and make it a 9. And I'm going to bring that 10 over to the 2 and make it 12. Now we can finally start working on a column subtraction. 12 take away 7, 5. 9 take away 9 equals 0. So we end up with the same answer. All right. Thanks a lot.